Okay, so I've completed the processing for the including the Excel values. Now our Excel gave us 0.22 as our best fit line slope, and as maximum slope we have 0.256 and 0.19. I can express my result as 0.22 plus or minus half the difference between the max and the min line. So our graph looks like this. When I process all this, I take this slope with its uncertainty to calculate K. Now from my formula, I had K equals 4 pi squared m over t squared. This m over t squared is the gradient of our line. So m over t squared is the value we just found. So I'm going to use that to calculate with 4 pi squared, but I have to calculate multiplying with its uncertainty. So I distribute that over and I multiply 4 pi squared by the value and 4 pi squared by the uncertainty, and I end up with that final result. I can now present my final result, experimental result, to be 8.868 plus or minus 1.18. Now that is going to give me a range to evaluate my errors, a value to cross-check across the value I calculated using Hooke's law at the beginning, which would give us our experimental error, percentage error, and you can write your evaluation after that point. So this is it about the spring lab. This is what we would have done if we carried out this experiment together, and this is all the reminders I would have told you. So feel free to watch these videos again, pause and make notes and use it while you write your final report for your mock IA. Now your mock IA is going to be the pendulum lab, which is very, very similar to this one. And my next and last video is going to be showing you how that is done. And once I show you the way that the data is collected, I will share data with you for you to process. And your job is going to be to write a full lab report as if you planned the whole thing. You're going to need to do the research, including finding the formula that is given on the task sheet that I will share. So based on all the samples you have analyzed, you're going to write a full exploration, variables, control variables, and the procedure. You will use the data that I share with you. I will include a raw data table with you, and it's going to be your job to finish up after that. Okay, thank you.